Allah Akbar.
Taking him out of a public school, doesn't that mean that you are excluding him from mainstream American life?
Absolutely not.
Jill has a teenage son, and Taha one day plans to be an airline pilot. And like millions of kids around the world, that's simply because he loves to fly. So we decided to meet Taha.
We heard that you calling people for the prayers, you're giving adhan and all that. That's just fantastic. What makes you want to do that?
Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I'm so I can get more deeds from him.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
So, do you feel that he's listening?
Yes, I do.
It's working?
Yes.
What made you want to accept Islam?
See, I am thought to myself, and I'm Christianity. How could a man be God if a man died on a cross? And that doesn't make sense to me. And then I came across Islam and go to a school here, a private school, and teach them about Islam and Allah and all the prophets and the angels. I just accepted it. I just accepted Islam.
Do you think your friends would be upset that you did that?
Well, no, I don't think so.
Did they get scared of you?
No, they don't.
Does anyone tease you?
Well, no, not as much as my old school does. Yeah.
So you're not just going to a Muslim school, you're doing all those things that kids in America do.
We do academics for a couple of hours a day, and then I go to Quran class, and then I go and play soccer and basketball right there, and I'm just hang out with my friends.
You still like it in this school even though it's a Muslim school?
Yeah.
Why?
Because of the smaller class sizes, and I'm one-on-one teaching with us, and that's why I like it. Yeah.
What do you plan to do in the future?
I want to be a pilot, a commercial pilot for Southwest or for American Airlines, one of those companies.
But tell me something. What does America mean to you?
America means to me like I'm live free, and I'm to express yourself and express your religion. As in other countries, you can't show your religion. And so, but America, you can't show your religion as much as you want.
Taha converted to Islam recently.
Yes, I had reverted to Islam, and he saw my way of life. He saw me praying. He saw all that. He took quickly to it, and it took him a while. Like, I was kind of hesitant about letting him convert because I didn't want him to do it for the wrong reasons. I had changed him from the American public schools into an Islamic school.
Taking him out of a public school, doesn't that mean that you are excluding him from mainstream American life?
Absolutely not.
But you're putting him into a madrasa rather than putting him into a school where he's going to get a chance to study everything.
Right. What I'm intending to do, with my intentions, because he does, he stutters, so he has special services that he needs, and this school was able to meet his needs, as well as provide him with a God-based curriculum.
There's so many millions of Muslim kids who will be watching you all around the world. Is there anything that you want to say to your friends, young kids watching you all around the world? What would you want to say to them?
I would say Assalamu alaikum to them, and that one day I see them in Jannah, and maybe we can play soccer in Jannah and stuff, inshallah.
Give me a hug, man.
Jannah in Arabic means heaven. Taha said he's going to look for me in heaven. And when I asked him, what if he doesn't find me there? He replied that he's going to go and ask God about me, that why am I not in heaven? Somebody once said to me that what you see on mainstream television is not America. If you want to find out real America, you gotta go out there and find it. According to the officials at Istaba, Islamic Society of Tampa Bay Area, this center is not just providing religious curriculum, but is also involving the kids in other activities to keep a balance between faith-based learning and having fun, along with learning all the other things that kids learn at school. Jill says that it allows kids with different cultural backgrounds to get together and interact with each other on a regular basis. And because it involves an entire community, so the interaction goes far beyond school hours. Children and their families mingle and learn from each other. Jill said that her son Taha stutters at times. But surprisingly, he does not when he's reciting the Quran, a holy book for Muslims.
الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس الله أكبر الله أكبر أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
There are people who convert or revert to Islam, but what about those who were born in it? Valia is from Dayton, Ohio, now living in Tampa and working with Piedad.
How did you come to Islam?
My parents converted and I was born into Islam. My dad was raised a Sunni Muslim all of my life.
That's something different. I mean, we've met people who've reverted to Islam or immigrants, but there's a history of Islam in America. Could you tell us a little bit about that? How did your father become a Muslim?
My father actually was searching. He actually was going I think he told me that when he was young, his grandmother told him that he was going to be a spiritual sort of like person, and being in America, he went through different things. He was going to be a musician and things, and something happened to him and pulled him out and got him to start looking at himself from a spiritual aspect. He actually visited, from my understanding, Africa, some part of Ghana. I think he went to somewhere in the Middle East and Pakistan, and he got the most information from the knowledge from the, I don't know if it was an imam or someone there, but that's what made him choose Islam, and he took the Sunni path, not the start with the nation or anything, because he found that it wasn't true from the questions that he was asking. You know, so that's how.
Allah Akbar.
How come we don't see Muslims like yourself on mainstream media?